my name is Catherine Kutsaris. I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Matrox Video. We're here in sunny InfoComm in Las Vegas at the Matrox booth, and I'm standing in front of our control room demos. So at Matrox, we have lots of different products that feed into control rooms. They're reliable, they're high performance, and of course they put the operator at the center of the action in a very easy, intuitive interface as well. So what I'm showing behind me is our distributed video wall product, so our Matrox Mura DVW. Each one has 4x4K outputs, and you can make very scalable, large video walls by synchronizing these different displays together. So you can pull a variety of different sources into here, all again over the network. So you can have web sources, IP sources, encoded and then decoded sources, local stored videos. We also support audio and still images, so you can create really beautiful video walls like you see behind me. That's a combination of dashboards, web sources, encoded content, camera feeds. It really all comes together to create a beautiful control room ecosystem using a combination of Matrox products and other products from manufacturers, because everything is going over the network, which makes it very efficient. So if you want more information about our video wall products or any of the products at the Matrox booth, please visit us at our website or follow us on socials. Thanks.